death toll this time is approaching 100 as more victims are discovered beneath collapsed homes. That compares to more than 20,000 people killed in the earthquake and tsunami in 2011 in northeastern Japan. Back in 2011, the tsunamis were as much as 30 or even 50 feet high. So this wasn't as bad, but still we're seeing that some homes and structures right near the coast were destroyed. A large number of those killed were crushed by collapsing houses and buildings, or possibly caught up in fires that started after the quake. The Noto Peninsula is known for its beauty and traditional crafts. This is a mostly rural area of Japan, and a lot of the homes are wooden with heavy tile roofs. There was also one office building that fell on its side, but for the most part, modern office buildings and apartment buildings are designed to withstand an earthquake like this one.
一番心配なのですか、これいつ戻るだろうかと思って、この人たちがね、また戻ってくれるんかどうかというようなことがやっぱり怖いですね、心配だし。